I'm I'm almost done, but something is missing. Something is missing. We research yami. I'm gonna paint the picture for you, and then once we're done, you need to tell me ukuthi what's missing. The truth shall set you free. So lalela mntomnyama, asiqale. I-America ifuna i-oil yase-Iran. Not just that, i-America is willing ukuqala impi to possess i-oil yase-Iran and to possess the strike of Hormuz, which is umzila whereby almost all the ships carrying i-oil that belongs to the Rockefeller family passes through. Manje inkinga iyodwa, there's only one problem. Leyo route, leyo Strait of Hormuz belongs to Iran, and i-America wants it all. In order to defend itself, Iran decided ukuthi nope, we are gonna monitor the strike of Hormuz and to make sure ukuthi any ships passing by kumele bathole permission from us. That's when the problem started, because manje oil around the world is starting to be short, because the only shortcut, the only route eyenza sure ukuthi all the oil gets past India, Dubai and all those places is now monitored. And so indoda ebovu decided ukuthi since eyifuna istrike of Hormuz, since eyifuna oil yase-Iran, he would unalive the president yase-Iran using usizo from Israel. And it worked. They were able to unalive him, but abantu, the people base-Iran, decided ukuthi they are not gonna lose hope because they have lost their champion who was unalived. Ehlalele umuzi wakhe, edla idina with ingane yakhe. Understand ukuthi abantu decided to rally against indoda ebovu. Hlakanipha ke mntomnyama, and understand ukuthi once i-America decided to unalive the champion yase-Iran, impi for the strike of Hormuz began. Abantu base-Iran decided ukuthi siyayivala i-strike of Hormuz. That is why upetrol usunyuka usubiza. That is why udiesel usunyuka usubiza. Umuntu omnyama is gonna watch this video and ask him or herself ukuthi where do we enter as South Africans? This is none of our business. I'll understand ukuthi if they close the strike of Hormuz, which is the only shortcut that makes it easier for ships to travel from all the way India to all the way to the west, understand ukuthi there will be only one route left ezokwazi ukuthi ihambe lama ships, and le route izodlula phi? Cape of Good Hope. And understand, hlakanipha ke mntomnyama, and follow the money, because imali never lies. Understand ukuthi Coca-Cola will invest 105 billion in South Africa by 2030. Microsoft is investing 273 million to acquire land and boost its data center infrastructure in South Africa. Amazon is building its 300 million African headquarters in South Africa, and Equinox is investing 442 million in South Africa to expand its data center capacity. Recently, the city of Cape Town, under the Democratic Alliance, sold about 50 municipal properties, including the Good Hope Center, which went for 135 million rand. Understand ukuthi once impi between America and Iran ikhuphuka, that will mean Iran will be forced to shut down the strike of Hormuz, which is the only shortcut that enables our ships to get to the west faster. That will mean our ships will be forced to take an alternative route ezokwenza sure ukuthi ama ships abo adlula a Cape of Good Hope. That means ukuthi lawo ma ships will get serviced a Cape of Good Hope, will get refueled a Cape of Good Hope, and a Cape of Good Hope will receive a large amount of money. The shadow government is pulling the strings, making sure ukuthi wonke umuntu plays their role in order for this to happen. And if wena uyithola usuphazamisa umsebenzi, you have to be removed. Wena, there has to be a plan ukuthi usuke, because there's a lot of money involved lana. Angeke uphazamisa umsebenzi. That's why they wanted to make Cape Town an independent state. That's why they were pushing for a narrative ukuthi Cape Town should be separated from South Africa and become its own country. But unfortunately, someone decided to ukuphazamisa umsebenzi. That's why they wanted to build the Great Wall of Cape Town, ezosuka from the airport, moving all the way down to the harbour. Understand ukuthi it will block off iy'ndawo ey'fana njengoFilipi, oKhayelitsha, and all those areas ahlala abantu abamnyama. And i-funding isiphumile, i-budget ikhona, and no one is allowed ukuphazamisa umsebenzi.